So one thing you have to understand about this channel is we really hate repetitive tasks. If we can be able to automate those tasks, then we become more productive and the work become more interesting. So today we are going to compose a signature for the mails in our Outlook desktop app. If you are a frequenter when it comes to making new mails, replying, and maybe forwarding mails to other people, and usually type your signatures every now and then, this video should be for you. So you're going to compose a signature in our desktop app, that is the Outlook. If you have a Microsoft Word suite, then you should have Outlook as one of the applications. So you sign in there, then we're going to save a signature there, so that every time when I'm making or I'm composing an email or forwarding or whatever thing that I want to do with the mails, I can be able to auto-populate my signature there without having to type it down. Actually, we can even add a picture or something very interesting there, links and a lot in the signature. So let's go to our desktop application and open it and see how we go about that. So open the Outlook app. So if I want to compose a signature, this is how you go about it. You can click on the search, you search for signature, or you can just go to, for example, your inbox, and when you click new email like that, then you have this icon here. This is the signature. If you have any signatures, they will list themselves up here, but because you don't have any, we are going to click on signatures, and this is the pop-up we are going to work with. This is where we're going to compose our signature, and we can set how it behaves in each and every instance. So let's click on new. After clicking new, you're going to get a pop-up here with a new signature type and name for your signature. Let's call this one TT channel. Hit on OK, and we have that. So it's blank. If I want to edit any of that, then I'll come down to edit signature. Around here we have a place where we can type anything that you want. We can say regards. So we have everything now here, and then we have all the details maybe you want, and perhaps maybe you want to include an image. Now we have an option here. You can add a business card, we can have so many other things, but once you click here, then you can upload your image. You go to the download page, you remember the QR code, then click on insert. It's so huge, so you can resize or make it smaller than this. So for me, I don't need to have that. I'll just remove it and just be left with only words. You have several options here. You can change the fonts. You can decide to be flashy or just classy, just exactly the way you want. You can add a link and a business card, and once you save that, so you can just click on save. So already we have the signature. So how it behaves will depend on how you're going to set on this side. So if, for example, you have more than one email, then you can select the exact email account that it will be working with. So you'll just pick one of the mails if you have more than one around here. So if you want this signature to only be appearing when you are composing a new message, then you can decide to have either none or just choose the signature that you composed. You can even decide to have several signatures depending on what you want to do with each of those signatures. So for me, because I don't have any other, I can just decide to any new message be carrying this signature. So I click on that one. If I want the forwards and the replies to also carry my signature, I can also go down here and click one of the signatures which I've composed. In your case, maybe you might have several. I have only one, so I'll just click on one. Okay, and I think we're good to go. You click on OK, and every time, I don't want to save anything. So, and every time you click on new mail, this signature should auto-populate. So as you can see, then I'll save, click on new, it's already here. Okay. So if we go to reply to a previous or any message, like let's go to our inbox. I have this one from Microsoft. If I decide to click on reply, then as you can see, we have the signatures here. This is the signature. It will just be there. It will auto-populate. Okay, so that was a quick one. I don't know how quick it was, but I hope it is helpful to you. So recently I made a video on how you can be able to send bulk emails with personalized attachments to a lot of clients at the same time by using just macros embedded in an Excel sheet, and you're going to use Outlook. Go check that video somewhere. I'll put a card somewhere up here, either here or here, somewhere here, and I'll also include it in the description box down below.